Okay, Erin, hold the camera for me. Okay, here we go. Okay.
Okay, everyone, Joe Late's reporting live.
Yes, live from the snowstorm. I can barely catch my breath. It's so bad outside right now. Look at, ouch, it hurts. But yes, this is the blizzard. The blizzard right here. But I am here.
Can you hail us a cab, please?
From here. Yes, we will get a cab.
Oh, God.
Oh, God. Oh, Lord.
How did it feel surviving a blizzard?
Oh my gosh, that was dangerous and scary all at the same time. Oh God, look at it outside. It's treacherous. It's real treacherous. But we saw other walkers. We saw other walkers. Oh God, gotta go in to the Blue Gave where we can get our, oh God. Oh no. Oh my God. Oh, Lord have mercy. Oh, there's another walker. See, we're not the only crazy people. Whew. What was it like outside? Tell me your first report.
Joe?
Yes.
What does your hat say? Hold on.
This actually says California on it. I know. Pretty ironic that it actually says California when California really is not having weather like we're having right now at all. But I did really buy this in California at the Nordstrom's with Landy.
Where's the taxi? Taxi. We gotta go. We gotta run.
That's the thunder they were talking about!
Come on!
That's the thunder they were talking about!
Let's go, you're coming home. Come on.
Oh God.
111 Taxi. Come on.
Give us a ride!
He's not even plowing!
Oh. Oh no, I can't.
I think your body is shutting down. They always say in a blizzard, stay awake. Don't don't fall asleep.
Oh, there's a cab trying to get through. Oh, look at.
Taxi?
God, what made you come out tonight?
Crazy.
Did you hear that? People are screaming out here. People are screaming. Look at this snow. Oh God, it's a whiteout. It's a whiteout. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God.
This is terrible.
Oh, this is
awful. They always say in a blizzard, don't go to sleep. Don't close your eyes. Just keep going.
Oh.
Winded. My mascara's running.
So Erin and I are walking back to our place right now in this blizzard. But there are other people outside. We're not the only ones. Sir, why are you outside right now? Why are you outside?
It's a good question.
I know, but really, why are you?
Good question.
Oh gosh.
Okay, say what they see.
No comment? Oh, okay.
Oh gosh.
No,
All right.
didn't go
People
so
are
well.
shoveling. It's okay. It's okay. Because you know what? When you're in a weather like this, you really don't want to talk. You don't want to stop. You don't care. People are shoveling. People are trying to get the city ready for the morning. For the morning commuters, but it's tough out here. It's really tough out here.
Let's
right
go,
now.
let's go, let's go. Come on, run.
Wait, keep it going, keep it going. Okay, he's doing this right now for free. Why are you doing this for free? Wait, what do you mean you guys are exploring?
We are exploring.
I have a theory that blizzards are like Disneyland but for poor people.
Where are you from?
I'm from England.
Oh my gosh.
Hi.
Hi, and you guys are just out here?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're heading to the beach. We've just been to the Jungle Cafe.
All right, well, good luck to you. Why are you guys out right now?
It's our first date.
What?
Yeah.
For real? Yeah. Love.
We just helped bring her get out.
You guys just help people get out?
Yeah.
So what are you guys doing out right now?
We're just taking a walk. You know what? You gotta experience this. It's like once in a while, long time. So probably once in a lifetime. Who knows? We can help people, which is always good.
Right, right. That's excellent. Oh my God! Look at these. Look at this. Oh, ah! What happened to you, Erin? Are you gonna make an angel? Oh! Oh! Wait. Wait. Ouch, ouch, and ouch, ouch. The snow hurts right now. It really does. Ouch. Snow is stuck on your eyebrows. Wait. Snow is stuck in my beard. No, this is ice coming out of my beard right now.